Hey guys, this is DIY Lawn Care Monster, and today I'm back with you with yet another video. Stay tuned and enjoy it. There was a 1/2 inch socket. I got a 3/4 inch socket, and I had a crescent wrench. And you'll know why in the video, but it comes with an Allen head, 2 of them, and it gives you everything you need. Except these 3 right here, and I'm sure if you've got a lawn equipment, you have them. Well, I messed up and put these bottom ones on right here before I can put this on. So I can't get that on right there. So looks like I'm gonna take these off. This bar right here probably would have worked out a whole lot better if I put it on the inside, because this bolt right here is hitting this right here pretty good. So maybe putting this on the inside would have been a little better choice, but that's what it looks like.